often asked why I believe that the aura is worthy of investigation when people are considering using a CPAP-type device for the control of sleep apnea. Well, first let me say that if you've been diagnosed with sleep apnea and it is truly sleep apnea, there really is no question that you need a CPAP-type devices, and there are some wonderful ones out there. But the authorities are recognizing that many of the prescriptions that have been written and many of the diagnoses that have been made for sleep apnea really have nothing to do with sleep apnea, but may have to do with basically dealing with other sleep disorders. Certainly a CPAP machine is helpful if you have a snoring problem. Certainly it is helpful if you have a gasping problem where you are reacting to the environment. But it's also well known that if you have an environmental issue where you are not getting the ingredients that you need from fresh air to keep your respiratory system in prime condition, that you may also suffer from some of those same symptoms. So many times people have discovered that it's merely the fact that they're sleeping in indoor air that has none of the unstable active elements of fresh outdoor air. And what they have found is that between the process of removing the pollutants from the air and breathing air that actually has the restorative energy in it that outdoor air can give you, that they don't need to resort to doing something as uncomfortable as using a mechanical sleep aid. So it's our position that if you have not already moved into a mechanical device like a CPAP, that it's worthwhile trying to see that by restoring the natural freshness of the outdoor air into your environment and cleaning some of the pollutants out of that environment, that the increased sleep that you get, the deepness of the sleep you get, the peaceful sleep that you get, may be well worth it and may be a very attractive natural substitute for something that might be quite uncomfortable. No one can really tell for sure whether or not it will work or not, but we know that we get less than 1% of the products that we send out on a 30-day free trial returned. And whether it's for the spouse that is no longer dealing with the snoring, or whether it is really solving the problem that the people were looking at as a sleep disorder, we don't know. But what we do know is this, that there's a great chance that you may not have to make a move into a CPAP and will have a more natural, restful sleep.